Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Rockslide Engineering Tailgate Table, designed to fit both the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs as well as the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Whether you're tailgating with your Wrangler, maybe having lunch at the side of the trail, or airing up your tires at the trailhead after a long day of fun, well, it's always great to have some extra workspace. The Rockslide Engineering Tailgate Table gives us a very generously sized two-tier table that mounts right here to the back tailgate of your Wrangler. It features a 100-pound weight capacity, and it's constructed from durable yet lightweight and strong 12-gauge aluminum, finished in a slightly textured black powder coat finish with fully riveted hinges. We've even got a bottle opener built right into the lower portion of the table. Now, operating the table is a very easy procedure. We simply need to lift the top portion of the table up, fold in the bottom, as well as the two side supports, and then close the lid back into place. Now you hear that very secure closure when I close that down. There's a strong magnet that keeps that lid in place to prevent it from rattling around when you're headed down the road or the trail. Now, in this folded position, it takes up very little cargo space in the back of your Jeep. Comes in at about 25.5 inches wide, 12 inches tall, and under 1.5 inches thick. And that means we're not losing very much valuable cargo space here in the back of your Wrangler. When you want to open the table back up, simply lift the lid, fold out those two side supports, followed by the lower shelf, locking it in and resting it on those side supports. Now the bottom portion of the table comes in at 20 inches deep by 25 inches wide. The great thing about this too is that you can leave the top portion of the table folded up to give you a larger area to work. So maybe you've got a large tool bag you're working with, or this would even be a great place for a small camp grill or camp stove if you're preparing some food. Now, if you don't need the added height for that lower portion of the table, we can go ahead and close down the upper portion of the table, and now we have a second tier that comes in at 12 inches deep by 25.5 inches wide. Now, getting the tailgate table installed in your Wrangler is a very easy procedure. For the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, you'll simply use the 6 provided self-tapping screws. Now, for the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, well, we simply need to go ahead and remove the upper portion of the trim piece installed on the tailgate to reveal 3 existing mounting points built into our tailgate. Then we'll insert 3 of the provided screws through the tailgate table and secure the spacers in place with the provided rubber O-rings to keep them in place while you're installing the table on the back of the tailgate. Tighten down those screws with a 4mm Allen head, and that's all it takes to get your tailgate table installed on the tailgate of your Wrangler. You can see just how much valuable work surface you gain in a very compact package with the Rockslide Engineering Tailgate Table. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase one for the back of your Wrangler, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the tailgate table or how to get it installed in your Jeep, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. As always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.